In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 11-month journey of using Isagenix Collagen Elixir. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Amanda Hawke. I'm an Isagenix associate and also a raving fan of Collagen Elixir. I've been using this product for 11 months since it came out here in Australia and New Zealand, and I'm absolutely in love with the results that I've seen. Now, to kick off, let's see what I looked like beforehand. These are some photos that I took on the first day I got my box of Collagen Elixir. And what you will see is my skin was generally a lot more lackluster than what it is now. You will see that the skin tone wasn't that great, the darker circles underneath my eyes were more pronounced, and just overall it didn't look as healthy as what it could do. So since using the product, this is what I look like now. I'm not wearing any makeup apart from some powder in my eyebrows because they fell victim to the 90s. So Gwen Stefani, I overplucked, and I've got no expression without it. So I put some on just to make sure that you could actually tell when I'm raising my eyebrows. But getting back on track, since using the product, what you will see and notice is that my skin is a lot shinier, more even. My dark circles, while they're still there, they're not as pronounced, and overall my skin health is a lot better. So as you can see from the side, you know, my skin tone is a lot better along the side. The elasticity of my skin is pretty good, but just overall it's just given me back my glow, and it's given me back a consistent glow, which I didn't have before. So before using the products, I had good days and I had bad days, like we all do, but now I have more good days than bad when it comes to my skin. Even in winter, when I'm jumping in and out of heating and into the cold air, I'm finding that my skin, because it's got a lot more moisture, it's more hydrated, is consistently good, so I'm not getting the same kind of dryness that I did have before. Now overall, I love this product. I take it every day, but if I do miss a day, I do find that it doesn't hinder the results. I still have great feeling looking skin. So that is my review on Collagen Elixir. It is something that I am going to continue to use in addition to using moisturizer, cleanser and toner. It's really important that you look after the outside as well as replenishing the inside. And if you've been wondering about taking this product or you want to give it a go, please sing out and I'll be more than happy to help you get on the same path and the journey to, rediscovering your glow. So thank you very much for watching.